Charity 12. In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 2556, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave glad tidings to the one who possesses the following characteristics. One of these characteristics is spending wealth without being disobedient to Allah, the Exalted, and to aid the weak and needy. This includes any spending which derives real benefit in this world or the next. It includes spending on fulfilling one's needs and the needs of one's dependents without excessiveness, waste or extravagance. Spending in this way is in fact a righteous deed, according to a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006. This correct spending encompasses all of the worldly blessings one has been granted and involves using them in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Aiding the needy includes all types of aid and support, such as financial, emotional, and physical help. The one who aids others in this way will obtain the support of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1930. The one who gains this cannot fail, as the help of Allah, the Exalted, overcomes all things. One must always remain sincere in their deeds by only performing them in order to please Allah, the Exalted. This is proven when one does not hope for, nor demand any gratitude from people. One should aid others just like they desire others to aid them.